Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to cancel your subscription or your membership in chess.com. For some reason, you maybe got tired of playing chess and you want to, take a break for a few months and you don't want to spend money without playing the game. You can actually cancel your membership or your subscription pretty easily. All you need to do is of course, you need to be signed in again. You want to look towards your lower left corner, click on this cogwheel or settings icon. So this pops up. What you want to do is click on all settings to bring you to the settings page. Once you are here on the settings page, you want to click on membership here on the lower portion of this settings bar here. So click on membership. Now here, if you have paid membership, if you upgraded to maybe diamond or whatnot, you can actually cancel it. So as you can see, your cancel membership here on the very bottom. If you're paying, this is going to be able to, you'll be able to click on this to cancel your membership. It's going to ask you why. Of course, they're going to try to upsell you, and you just click on cancel premium. After that, you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.